Hi everyone, it's Bobbi and Magnus Eklund. We met most of you at the FSMTA Conference and it's so nice to be able to greet you again. You'll see this short email has a listing of our workshop dates coming up for this fall, as well as our coursework that we're offering for certification for the Synergetic Structural Integration School. We just want you to know that we'll be communicating with you a little bit throughout these months because, as promised, we're offering technique videos, just short little things that can be helpful to you. Perhaps if you took our class, it will show you and remind you of some of the things that you've already learned, as well as things that have to do with body mechanics and just how to work around the table in general with this work.
Yes, and Bobbi and I have been studying this work for the past 30 years or so. The myofascial work, the structural integration, and especially I have probably made every mistake in the book. And we're hoping for you guys to avoid those mistakes, but we want to show you really what to do and how to elevate your career to a different level. So we hope you will join us either in our in-person or our live webinars. And some of you might be intrigued to take our long structural integration school training.
Yeah, so you guys take care. We look forward to seeing you. Bye.
Bye.